My name is Audra O'Neill. I am with Fiskars Brands. I am the Key Account Manager. I'm going to show you some of the new things that we have from Fiskars today, including the Gilmore brand. So the new Gilmore Oscillator is really easy for customizing how you're going to get water to your yard and beds. Basically, these move independently, so you can move them each out to make it wider. I might have a sidewalk here, so I put that up so that it's not wasting water. Additionally, we have a swivel coupling on the end of our sprinkler and a water on and off. So you can turn the water off at the sprinkler instead of having to walk back to your spigot. These are the same type of rubber that's on your shower head, so getting mineral buildup out of there is as easy as just rubbing your finger over it. And then additionally, you can change the width of your oscillator with these two touches. Every place that a consumer would touch is aqua blue, and those are all the touch points for setting your sprinkler to do the best job it can in your yard. You can measure your lawn online with us by going to Gilmore.com. You can do a lawn calculator. You put in your address, Google Earth will hover over, you click on the shape of your yard, and then our website will tell you the square footage and what size sprinkler that you need. This is our new swivel coupling nozzle. So I'm going to put it on the hose, but as you can see, you got to swivel it down here, because once it's on the hose, now you can walk anywhere in your yard and reduce kink on your hose because the coupling on the nozzle is swiveling with you. In all of our consumer research, what we found is that the different patterns and the name of the pattern being cone is confusing to the end user. So we've done pictures of what the pattern is. You can see it as you're adjusting from the top side, and we've eliminated any of the unnecessary patterns. This also is a click nozzle. You click it on, now your hand's free. You click it off when you're done watering. Now I'd like to talk to you about Power Gear. Power Gear actually gives you 3 times more cutting power, and it's because instead of being a single pivot tool, it actually is a geared tool which helps you to power through difficult cuts. When you're out like this, you have the ability and the leverage of using your arms, but when you get in tight, you lose that, and that's where the gears kick into play and help you to power through the cut. This is the Power Gear Pruner. The whole hand curls in for you, so you're not just using a couple fingers, you use your whole hand, and this also has a geared system in it. Additionally, this tool has been certified by the Arthritis Foundation with its ease of use. We have an entirely new line of pole saws. Basically, consumers hate having to cut limbs off of trees because it's very difficult to get up there, to stay in the cut. Generally, the tree pruner bows once you get it out to about 16 feet. So this is our 16-foot tree pruner, and it actually stores in a space smaller than a 12-foot tree pruner because it's in 3 different sections. We also have done a double locking mechanism because consumers complain that once it was up, that the lock would come loose and it would come slamming down. So we have something similar to what's on an Easy Up tent. And then we have a double locking mechanism. And you'll notice that this is oval versus round, and that is to give you rigidity so that when you're holding it out, you're not getting the bowing. All Fiskars products have a lifetime warranty, so if anything ever went wrong with your tools, they're guaranteed for life. This tool also comes with an aggressive wood zig blade with a hook on it. The hook is basically to help you from falling out, or if you've cut something and now it's just about grabbing it to pull it down. The wood zig blade is a very aggressive blade on the downstroke. So basically, as you're pulling down is how you're getting the easiest, fastest cut for your tree. All of the POP is at eye level for the consumer so that they don't have to be 9 feet tall to read what comes with this.